In this video, I'll show you how to use YouTube in incognito mode on your computer. This is useful if you want to watch videos or search for content without saving your watch history or search history to your account. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that YouTube on desktop doesn't have a built-in incognito button like the mobile app does. Instead, you'll need to use your browser's incognito or private mode. I'll demonstrate this using Google Chrome, but the steps are very similar in other browsers like Edge, Brave, or Firefox. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select New Incognito Window. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus N to open it instantly. A new window will open, and you'll see a message confirming that you're browsing in incognito mode. Now, in that new window, go to youtube.com. That's it. You're now using YouTube in incognito mode. While browsing in this window, your search history, watch history, and cookies won't be saved to your account or your browser. Once you close the incognito window, your session will be erased automatically, and that's how you use YouTube in incognito mode on a PC or laptop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical tech guides.